everybody, welcome to Cooking with the Count. Today, I'm taking over my dad's kitchen. Today we are making organic banana bread with organic eggs and organic bananas. So we have flour, butter, sugar, eggs, sour cream, baking soda, salt, and organic bananas. And now I'm going to mash up my bananas. So first I need to peel them. We saved these for a long time so that they could ripen. Okay, so I got my bananas all peeled and I'm going to mash them up really good. It's going to be hard though. It's hard mashing up bananas. Oop, dropped a piece. Just pick it up. So right now I'm just going to finish mashing up my bananas. I'll be right back. So now I got my bananas all mashed up. Can you see that? Okay, so now I'm going to start with my eggs. Put them in the bowl. Going to take my other egg, crack it. Just keep on repeating the same thing over and over. Sorry. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so I'm on my last egg. Okay, so now I'm going to mix up my egg. We want good banana bread. Like, these are organic eggs, so these are good eggs. Not the ones that you buy from the grocery store. These are from fresh eggs. So I'm just going to keep on mixing my eggs, and we'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to add in my sugar. Okay, so we're going to stir in my sugar.
I can do your butter.
What? Now I'm going to do my butter. Come on. There we go. I'm going to stir this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm all done mixing my eggs, my sugar, and the butter. So now we're adding in the bananas. Add all the bananas. Okay, now we're going to mix this up real good. It's looking really good. Okay, so we're all done mixing now. Next, we're going to add in our sour cream. Okay, we're almost done. We still need to get some more in here. So let's get the rest of it. There. We'll be right back. So we are all done mixing up our eggs, banana, sugar, butter. So let's add in our baking soda. Stir this up really good. Okay, next we'll add in our salt. Okay, now we're going to put in the flour into the sifter. Okay. So we're going to finish sifting our flour into the snow so that we have a nice fluffy banana bread. Okay, so now I finished sifting my snow. So now I'm going to stir it up. Shake it out. Okay, right now it looks like a land of snow. So I'm going to stir it up very, very good. Okay. It's really hard to stir. Always have permission to do this before you always start doing this. And we'll be right back. So now that I stirred in all my flour, which we call snow, so now I'm going to put it in the pans. So I'll bring the pans over here. You see, they're always braid. So I'm going to take a spoonful, very gently though. So I'm just going to keep on repeating the same thing over and over and over. So I have little pans so that I can have more to share with our friends and neighbors. Okay, so now we are going to put these in the oven. Don't these look so pretty though? But I will have some help putting them in the oven. And we'll be back as soon as these are done. So now it is out of the oven, and now we have to wait for 20 minutes to cool down. After waiting all day, this looks amazing. It smells better than it looks. I cannot wait to take a bite. That is the best banana bread ever. Thank you for joining us with Life of Chi and CookingWithTheCount.com. You can go check those out on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube channel, and give us a big thumbs up, and have a great night.